I wanted to create this short because it's cold outside right now, and it's serious business for some of the people that I interact with that just don't have a place of their own to call home. So if you are in the Kansas City metro area or on the Kansas side, these are available warming centers. If you need a place to go, these are the numbers, these are the addresses. Get yourself inside, get yourself warm. Pass this on if you might see some people outside that just need some information. It's too cold to be messing around, guys. Help them out if you can. I work at City Union Mission, and it's excuse me. The cold is not a game. People die in this type of cold. God bless.